Hi friends, this is Gayatri. Yes, today we are going to discuss about off and full subtractor. First of all, what is off subtractor? Off subtractor is constructed using XOR and NAND gate. The off subtractor has two input and two output. The output are difference and borrow. The difference can be applied using XOR gate. Borrow output can be implemented using AND gate and an inverter or NOT gate. Input variables are A and B, output variables are B, borrow, D, difference. Truth table of AND gate. Truth table for off subtractor is here. Circuit diagram for off subtractor is here. It's constructed using XOR, NOT and AND gate. K-map. Boolean expression of difference and borrow is derived from K-map. Component required and ICs 2 input AND gate, 2 input XOR gate, 1 input NOT gate, IC trainer kit, patch code, all are at the quantity of 1. Now let's construct here. Now let's construct a circuit diagram for off subtractor. A and B is there. 1 XOR gate, 1 NOT gate, 1 AND gate, 2 light bulbs. A and B are the XOR gate inputs. A is given to the NOT gate. A negation and B are the input of AND gate. Now connected to light bulb. Now the circuit is designed as per the truth table. We give the value 0, 0 is the 0 difference and borrow 0. 0, 1 is the input. Difference and borrow both are at 1. 1, 1 is the input. Both difference and borrow are 0. If 1, 0 is the input, difference only 1, borrow is 0. Now let's see full subtractor. The full subtractor is the combination of XOR and OR and NOT gate. In the full subtractor, the logic gate should have 3 input and 2 output. The two off subtractor put together gives a full subtractor. The first off subtractor will be C and AB. The output will be difference output of full subtractor. The expression AB assembles the borrow output of the off subtractor, and the second term is inverted difference output of first XOR. Input variable or A and B, output variable or borrow and difference. Circuit diagram of full subtractor is constructed using two off subtractor. Truth table of full subtractor is here. K-map. The Boolean expression of difference and borrow is derived from the K-map. Circuit compound required and IC. Compound required 2 input AND gate, 2 input XOR gate, 2 input OR gate, 1 input NOT gate, IC trainer kit, patch code, all are at the quantity of 1. Now let us see the demo for full subtractor. Now let's see the demo for full subtractor. A, B, C, one NOT gate, one AND gate, and another XOR gate, and another NOT gate, and an AND gate, another AND gate, two light bulb, and finally one OR gate. A and B are the inputs of XOR gate. And A negation and B are the input of NAND gate. Two AND two AND gate output is the input for OR gate. Now it is connected to the bulb. Now the circuit is designed successfully. As per the truth table, we give the value. For example, 1 0 0, the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. If all the inputs are 1, both the difference and borrow are 0. By this way, we giving the output and results the difference and borrow. Thank you guys.